Mm-hmm. Maybe get some more snow for this side. Close to you.
Okay. Okay, better.
Better?
Okay. Now keep looking. So the volcano is dangerous.
Well, it's not dangerous. We're not making a dangerous one. It won't hurt anybody.
No?
Nope. Just vinegar and baking soda.
It's going to be a better kind of place. That's good. It's cool. It makes people warm.
Makes people warm? I don't think this is going to make anybody warm.
It's help.
You need help? Shut up.
Whoa. Down. It's rocket.
Yeah?
Ah! I can't get it!
You will. Just take your time.
I need help. Wow.
The heart of Tafiti. You gotta pack it around there so it gets nice and tight.
Wait, one more.